React Native is great. I can build once and run it everywhere, but it comes with a cost. With many platforms, screen sizes, languages and themes, there is a big chance I have visual bugs in my app. Manual reviews will not catch them all, and what I need is to automate my visual testing. Meet Sherlo. Sherlo captures screenshots of your UI on iOS and Android in the cloud. Then, all visual changes are detected by comparing screenshots to previous versions. Finally, your team makes the review, to catch all the bugs and make sure that everything looks as designed. How does Sherlo know what to test? It integrates with Storybook, the tool that helps you develop and document UI components. In Storybook, each UI component is represented as a story, from a simple button to more complex components or even entire app screens. Sherlo uses these stories to capture screenshots for visual testing. Setting up Sherlo is easy. Run Sherlo init in your project to set up the integration and create a config file. In that file, define the devices you want to test on: model, OS version, language, theme, or even accessibility font scale. Then build your app and run Sherlo test to send it for visual testing. When your test is ready, review it in the Sherlo web application. On the left, there's a list of stories that need your attention. Here's a story displayed on iPhone 17. You can switch between different devices to see how it looks on each one. This story is new, so it has no previous version to compare with. You can validate it using Figma Preview to compare with your design side by side, and Code Inspector to verify styles defined in the code. If everything looks correct, approve the story. Now onto another one. This story has a previous version that was approved in the past. You can easily highlight what changed, and if something doesn't look right, leave a comment and report the story. When the entire review is done, your team is notified so fixes can happen fast. With Sherlo, your team moves faster, collaborates closer, and delivers pixel-perfect results to stay confident in each release. Get started today at sherlo.io.